Today, we're going to put this screen protector on this Google Pixel Fold. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Google Pixel Fold, a phone I really like, I really enjoy, but as I have mentioned in my full review of this, I'm getting scratches on the screen, and that is pretty surprising given how strong this glass is on generally modern phones. You know, that Gorilla Glass. They should call it Von Panda Glass, because I feel like a panda is the king of the jungle, right? There is no animal, short of Godzilla, who is probably stronger and more virile than the panda. Now, one of the things that I wanted to do here was put on a screen protector so that this wouldn't get any worse and maybe even hide some of those scratches, but at least give me a little peace of mind that when I put this in my bag, put this in my pocket, you know, it's going to bounce around with some other stuff, coins or whatever I have in my pocket, and not get scratched up worse. Now, I did clean the screen here a little bit. I wasn't actually sure what this came with, but as you can see, it comes with wet and dry wipes here. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe my face and my hand. No, just kidding. I'm going to go ahead and wipe the screen here, usually just like an alcohol pad. I will say that after a few months of using this phone, I really like it, but you can obviously see the scratches along the spline there as well. So I'm actually going to just take the dry as well. I see a little bit of that residual alcohol bubbling up there. What I'm really more worried about is dust. Now, we actually have two little glass panels here, so protectors, which is nice. So you can replace it, but especially if you screw up, you don't have to just kind of live with that. Guide sticker. I mean, do I need any of that? We've got a couple stickers here. This says back. So I suppose this is the front, and I'm sure the back here has that adhesive on it. So I'm just going to pull this back here a little bit. And now I'm just going to go ahead and try to use the little hole for the camera as a way to kind of line this up. And I'm going to keep most of the plastic on there. I will tell you, it doesn't go quite to the edge, which is probably okay. And now I'm just going to see if I can. Wow. All right. One thing I want to show you is that the flexing of the screen protector has broken it. So, all right, it's good that they came with another one because I'm going to be a little more ginger, but keep that in mind. I'm not sure if it's actually plastic or glass, but it absolutely can break. So the second one, I'm not going to fool around and try to flex it like a decal. I'm actually just going to drop it basically right on. I'm going to line that up, and I don't want to put any flex in it. I'm just going to drop that on. I'm going to hit the middle here, kind of work it from the inside out. You can see it kind of rainbowing out to the edge. Do I care about every little air bubble getting out? Probably not. I got a little piece of dust in there or something, which is disappointing. But when the screen is off or on its kind of always on mode right now, it's kind of dark. I can see those air bubbles in there, mostly in the corners. You might be able to see those. But when I turn it on, not so visible. And what it will do is give me just a little bit more peace of mind that those scratches aren't going to be any worse. And doesn't seem to affect the touch sensitivity at all. I know actually in Android, there's a setting where you can raise the sensitivity of the screen if you have a screen protector on there, but doesn't seem like that's an issue. So works great. Obviously, I'm glad it came with two screen protectors because this idiot broke one of them. So if you want to pick this up because you have a Google Pixel Fold, I would highly recommend it because this screen on the front here does not seem to be scratch resistant. And if you don't want to see those scratches, get it. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.